Annette asks, can you do a video on how to change headlight bulbs? Yeah, I can. First thing you want to do is identify what kind of bulb you need. You could find out through the owner's manual. If you don't have your owner's manual, you can Google it. Even if you go to a reputable parts store, they'll be able to look it up for you there. Next, you want to locate how you'll need to access that bulb. A lot of cars, you can just reach right behind the core support. You can almost see them like right here, and then you can just open them up. Some of them you do need to remove a header panel like I did on the Kia. There are even other vehicles where you need to take this an access port out of the splash shield. And then there's even some where you do have to take the headlight bulb out, like the whole thing. So as far as how, so on the back of the headlight looks something like this on most cars. A lot of them, they'll be right there on the outside by themselves. Some of them are attached like this. And you just gotta pick up on that right there and remove the bulb, put the new bulb in, and put that one in the back of the housing. But some of them, they'll be hidden behind the cap. Like on this one, you open that up, open the cap, you got your bulb right there. Don't lose the cap. You want to make sure it goes back on there. Oh sweet, this is both. Okay, so like this one. So on most bulbs, you'll just get in there and twist it, and it'll come right out. However, there are some that have a little held in there with tension by just a wire, and you usually just push them in and push them off to the side, and that'll also let the headlight bulb come out. When it comes to replacing the bulbs, you want to get the new bulb in there as quick as you can. You don't want any moisture getting in here, or dirt or debris. And the other thing you want to make sure, on the new bulb, you don't want to touch the glass part. They always told us it would leave oils on that, and then the heat would just cause it to burst. So to extend the life of your bulb, don't touch that part. Just grab it from the plastic base. It really wouldn't hurt even to wear some gloves while handling them. And these just go back in the same way they came out by twisting them in. And it keeps them from fogging up. So make sure you get these put back in. Where? And then after that, all you gotta do is put anything back that you had to take off to get to them. Well, that's it. All right, Annette, I do hope that answered your question. If anyone can think of something I missed, please add it in the comments. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask.